Hey, this is Grant. I'm at the 2023 SLC Off-Road Expo. This is my 1988 Jeep Comanche. We started about 18 months ago with a totally stock Comanche. Went totally through it, did a full 2000 front end swap, the whole build, core 4x4, did all the suspension work here. We welded on Arctic trusses to the Dana 30, 488 rear end. We did the high output 4.0. The interior is swapped as well. Dirt bound bumper, 9,000 pound winch. Everything's been gone through. It was an old farm truck out of Nevada, Elko, Nevada. It had a straight six in it. It was a 4-wheel drive truck. And then we took a 2000 Cherokee, totally stripped it, put the 2000 Cherokee motor in it, 2000 Cherokee drivetrain, and then built axles and the whole drivetrain from there with some 35-inch tires. And I mean, it is what it is. It's just a pavement princess now. We'll just keep it in the garage and take it to shows like this and show it off. Without the help from people like Spence at Core 4x4, it probably wouldn't have been possible. Anything and everything that Core 4x4 builds, their arms, track bars, their steering, they did all the welding on the axle. They welded the truss together. They welded everything on it, you know. So anything that Spence down at Core 4x4 produces, I put on here. We did a whole WJ knuckle swap here, and that's where you see the high knuckle steering there. WJ sway bars, and did relocated the sway bar links and all that. The whole rear end's been gone through. We geared it. It's got 456 gears in it. It's got 180,000 miles on it. The gauge cluster, I mean, you pull the gauge cluster out and you can run the VIN on the gauge cluster and it matches the Comanche VIN number. So I mean, everything's been done on this thing. We had it appraised, and it appraised for $41,250. So I mean, considering it come from a $2,500 Jeep to what you see now in a matter of 18 months, it was pretty crazy. There's not one nut or bolt that we skipped on this thing. Definitely was a fun build. Follow me on TikTok. That 2000 Swap MJ.